an 8-bed club studio. For a club studio, you can choose to live between 5 and 8 people. If you'd like to follow me inside. As well as having your own kitchen in your room, you also get a communal area where you have a shared fridge, freezer, stove, microwave oven, sink, plenty of storage area, a bin, a 50-inch TV and plenty of seating area. So this is what our club studios include. The club studio includes a desk, a chair, a spacious wardrobe, a kitchenette. The kitchenette includes a stove, sink, microwave, fridge, freezer, pull-out bin, and then we've got our ensuite, small double bed, storage under the small double bed, as well as a 32-inch smart TV.